We are doing my English reader back exercises of Monday morning blues. हमने पिछली वीडियो में पूरा चैप्टर पढ़ा था. I hope आप सबको समझ आ गया होगा. So let's start this back exercise. Take the appropriate answer. Tom Sawyer did not want to get up on Monday mornings because क्यों नहीं उठना चाहता था Monday mornings पे Tom? Because it meant going back to school for the whole week. So the answer is first one. Tom began to groan loudly because his sore toe was sore. Okay, क्यों ग्राउंड करने लग गया था loudly? Because उसका toe जो है sore था. Aunt Polly was angry with Tom because क्यों angry थी Aunt Polly? क्योंकि she knew that he was telling a lie. उसे पता था कि वो झूठ बोल रहा है. Aunt Polly asked for a silk thread because she wanted to take out the Tom's tooth. उसे क्या करना था? टॉम के टूथ को खींचना था, बाहर निकालना था बाहर, इसलिए उसने सिल्क थ्रेड मांगा था. So these are the answers. A4. Mark the following statements with the correct if true or wrong if false. First, Tom held up his toe for inspection because he wanted to make sure that he could use it as an excuse for not going to school. This is true, so we will mark it correct. So Tom ने अपना टो इसीलिए इंस्पेक्शन के लिए लिया था क्योंकि उसे श्योर करना था कि वो उसे एक्सक्यूज के लिए यूज़ कर सकता है या नहीं. Tom was groaning loudly because he wanted to tell everyone that he was enjoying himself. This is false, so we will mark incorrect. We will mark wrong. So Tom was groaning loudly because he wanted to tell everyone that he is not feeling well. ये नहीं बताना चाहता था वो enjoying himself. ये बताना चाहता था कि वो अपने सेल्फ को enjoy नहीं कर रहा है और वो बहुत sick feel कर रहा है, इसलिए इसका आंसर false होगा, मतलब wrong होगा. The dental instruments that Aunt Polly used were silk thread and chunk of wire. This is absolutely true. So correct will come. Take. Aunt Polly loved Tom a lot. Yes, Aunt Polly loved Tom a lot. So it will also come true. Take. Tom felt foolish because his act was caught. This is also true. He felt foolish because of his act was caught. That's why he felt foolish. So this is also true. Correct. Tick. So the answers are tick. Incorrect, tick, tick, tick. A5. Read the following extracts and answer the questions that follow. First is, well, one of them's loose and it aches awfully. Who is the speaker? Tom Sawyer is the speaker. What is loose? Tom Sawyer's upper front tooth is loose. Second, it makes my flesh crawl to hear you. What is the matter? Who is the speaker of this line? Sid is the speaker of the above line. Makes my flesh crawl. What does it mean? Makes my flesh crawl mean to be worried or scared. What is the matter? Tom Sawyer groaned in pain as he was suffering from sore toe. So these are the answers. ये हम अच्छे से इनको कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं. ये आता है एग्ज़ाम में कोई ना कोई चैप्टर से. सो इसमें आप अच्छे से पूरा चैप्टर को पढ़ के जाएंगे. कोई भी एक एक्सट्रैक्ट आ सकता है, उसमें से आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछे जा सकते हैं. A6. Life skills. Why do you think Tom did not like going to school? If you were Tom's friend, how would you convince him to attend school regularly? Tom did not like going to school as he thought school is a boring place and instead he liked fishing. If I were Tom's friend, I would convince him by saying school is a place for learning and enjoyment and you should go to school regularly. So A7 now. Work with your partner. Find the words from the story whose symptoms are given below. Crying in pain का symptom क्या था? Moaning. Pretend का क्या था? Fake. Terrible का awful. Excitedly का eagerly. I am excitedly waiting for someone. I am eagerly waiting for someone. Efforts का है attempts. So ये आपका इसका आंसर है. Now A8. Aunt Polly told Tom, you always break my heart. The word break can be used in many ways when it succeeds by the words like up, down, into, out, etc. Discuss with your partner or look up our dictionary and try to understand what expressions in the 8 box mean. Then fill in the blanks in the sentences given on the next page. You have to alter the expressions slightly. 8 boxes: break down, break into, break out, break up and break open. On the way to the office, Mr. Powell's car broke down. There was no one to help him. The robbers break open the safe and escaped with a lot of money. Let's break up for lunch. We'll meet again after an hour at the same place, the principal announced. The thieves break into the house at the night when everyone was fast asleep. The municipal corporation swung into the action when they heard that malaria had break out in the city. Here breakout spelling is wrong. C will not come here. A9. Some pairs of words look so similar that they get confused with each other. 4 such pairs are given below. So let's see the pairs. Lay, laid, farther, further, loose, loose, heal and heal. Discuss the meanings of these words with your partner and fill in the blanks appropriately. The wound took a long time to heal. So here this heal will come. This. I think this point needs further discussion. So this further will come. The mother gently laid the baby on the grass. So this laid will come. Where did you lose that beautiful pen of yours? So this loss will come. Thank you so much. We have completed the exercise. I hope you liked the video.